Do you feel like you're losing control in your relationships? Like you're constantly bending over backwards to keep her happy, but somehow you're always the one compromising? In this video, we're diving into the teachings of the legendary Miyamoto Musashi to show you how to be unbreakable, how to regain your power, master your mindset, and never let a woman control your life. Step 1. Self-respect. Respect for yourself is the key to a life that can't be broken. If you don't respect yourself, other people will always be able to control you, especially in relationships. Miyamoto Musashi taught that to be a good fighter, you must first be in charge of yourself. Respecting your own beliefs, limits, and uniqueness is the first step toward success. You set the standard for how others should treat you when you respect yourself. This is very important in partnerships. If you don't respect yourself, you might give in to other people's wishes, giving up on things that are very important to you, and losing control of your life in the end. You should never let a woman make you lose your sense of self-respect. It is not about dominance or control. It is about mutual respect, which means that both people accept each other's limits. You must know that there are multiple ways to reach the peak of the mountain, Musashi said one time. In other words, you choose your own way. Your love partner or anyone else doesn't have the right to tell you how to live your life. Being honest with yourself should help you make choices that are true to who you are. So this means being very strict with yourself in every part of your life. Do what you say you'll do, stick to your plans in both your personal and business life, and never give up on your ethics. When you treat yourself with respect, you make it clear to the world and any women in your life that you will not be moved or ruled by other people. As important as how you treat yourself, how you let other people treat you is also important. Don't let anyone bring down your self-esteem. Step 2. Stay true to your values. Miyamoto Musashi had a code of honor that was based on discipline, honesty, and sticking to his own beliefs. He thought that being true to yourself was the key to having a strong soul. If you're too focused on making someone else happy, especially a love partner, it's easy to lose sight of what you believe in. But sticking true to your values is important if you want to keep control of your life and make sure that no one, not even a woman, can change your mind. Your moral sense tells you what to do, how to act, and how to react to the world around you. They show what you believe in and what you will not stand for. It's important for these values to stay strong in a relationship, even if you feel like you need to change. Giving up your most important views to make someone else happy is a bad idea because you might fail to find yourself. Musashi's no attachment approach shows you how to stay true to your beliefs. He taught that being attached to things, people, or results lowers the spirit and leaves you open to harm. If the praise of a woman makes you feel good about yourself, you have already given her power. Stand strong in your beliefs instead, and let them help you make every choice. If you do that, people who respect and agree with your views will automatically come to you. Before you can stay true to your ideals, you need to know what they are. Take some time to think about what's most important to you: honesty, ethics, drive, and loyalty. Then, promise to always follow these ideals. If you find someone who shares these values, you will be able to build a connection based on shared respect instead of power or manipulation. Musashi thought that knowing one's values and purpose made a person strong on the inside. Being clear will keep you from letting your feelings or other people's wants affect your relationships. Being true to your ideals keeps you in charge of your life and stops anyone else from controlling you. Step 3. Avoid putting her on a pedestal. When guys are in relationships, one of the worst things they can do is put women up high. Being so impressed with someone that you think they are perfect gives them a lot of power over you. Miyamoto Musashi taught that balance, respect, and seeing things as they are, not how you want them to be, are very important. This point of view is very important if you want to stay in charge of your interactions. If you put someone on a platform, you give them more importance in your life than you do, which can hurt your own. If you don't deal with this mismatch, you could become dependent and easy to control or influence. In his theory, Musashi says that getting too connected to anything or anyone makes your spirit weak. In relationships, this connection can show up as putting too much weight on someone else's thoughts or wants, often at the price of your own. To keep from putting a woman on a high, it's important to see her as an equal who has flaws and strengths like everyone else. Musashi taught that balance is important in all parts of life, even in relationships. By keeping this balance, you make sure that no one has more control or power over the other. When you think someone is perfect, you're distorting reality and leaving yourself open to failure and mental pain. Instead, try to build a friendship based on respect and understanding for each other. Love your partner for what she is, but don't forget how valuable and unique you are. If you want to be unbreakable, Musashi thought, you had to stay grounded in reality and not let dreams or fantasies fool you. This is also true for partnerships. Maintaining a steady balance in your relationship keeps you from losing control and keeps things healthy and fair. No matter how much you care about someone, don't put them on a high. It's possible to lose control and become emotionally dependent when this comes about. Balance is something that Musashi taught us, and we should always keep in mind that a relationship should be a partnership of equals, not a worship of someone else. Step 4. Don't be afraid to walk away. Being able to walk away when you need to is one of the most powerful skills that Miyamoto Musashi taught. According to Musashi, getting attached to anything, like things or people, makes a warrior less strong. When it comes to relationships, this means not being afraid to leave a situation if it no longer fits with your values or if it starts to make you feel bad about your own self-respect. Just because you leave doesn't mean you don't care or are giving up. Actually, it shows a lot of strength and self-awareness. You send a strong message when you are not afraid to walk away. You will not let anyone control you or make you give up your values. Too many times, people stay in relationships because they are afraid of something. They might be afraid of being alone, of fighting, or of losing someone they care about. Musashi's lessons, on the other hand, tell us that holding on to something out of fear makes us weak and open to harm. You might want to leave your partner if you constantly give in to their demands, give up your own happiness, or feel stuck. Musashi taught that a real fighter should know when to give up. Giving up doesn't mean you failed. It just means you know your path might go in a different way. To be unbreakable, you have to be ready to put yourself first when a relationship isn't helping you grow or is bad for you. When it comes to interactions with women, this lesson is very important. It's simple to get attached and caught up in our feelings, but Musashi's teachings teach us that we need to be separate in order to be strong. You have already lost control of your life if you let someone decide how you feel or what you should do. You are telling them that you will not let them have that much power over you when you walk away when you need to. This means that leaving is not a sign of weakness but of power. It shows that you know how valuable you are and are ready to protect it, even if that means ending a relationship that doesn't fit with your values anymore. Musashi taught us to be detached and strong inside. These lessons will help you make the right choices for yourself. Step 5. Seek help if needed. Miyamoto Musashi was very good at being self-disciplined and independent, but he also knew that sometimes the strongest thing you can do is to ask for help. In life, you can't go through everything by yourself, and relationships are no different. When things go wrong in a relationship, especially if you feel like you're losing control, it's important to get help, whether it comes from experts, friends, or family. Women often think that guys are weak when they ask for help, but that's not true at all. Musashi himself learned from many masters and asked others for advice to improve his skills and understanding. Asking for help doesn't mean you've given up. It means you know that an outside view can give you clarity and understanding that you might not have seen on your own. If you feel like your partner is controlling or manipulating your emotions, you need to get help right away. That person could be a trusted friend who can give you an unbiased view, or even a therapist who can help you figure out how to handle a complicated situation. Musashi said it was important to learn from others and always be looking for ways to improve. This is true for both mental and social growth. People should know that asking for help does not mean they are weak or can't handle things on their own. In fact, it shows that you want to make things better for yourself and your position. Musashi taught that being humble is a part of becoming a master. Being humble means knowing when to ask for help. Getting help can be a very helpful way to take back control of your life, whether it's to learn how to set limits, improve your communication, or know when to walk away. So asking for help when you need it is not a sign of weakness, but of power and smarts. Musashi's lessons tell us that the only way to truly master something is to keep learning and growing, and sometimes that growth needs the help of other people's ideas. If you need help, don't be afraid to ask for it. It could be the key to taking back control of your life and making sure that no one, not even a woman, ever rules you again. Step 6. Financial independence. Being financially independent is one of the most powerful things about being unbreakable. Miyamoto Musashi wasn't very wealthy, but he knew how important it was to be self-sufficient and independent in every part of life. Being financially independent means that you don't need anyone else, not even your love partner, for your income or health. It gives you freedom from outside influences to make your own decisions and keep control of your life. Being too dependent on money can be a trap. If you depend on someone else for money, they could use that power to trick, control, or even abuse you. It's not just about money. It's about being able to choose for yourself without having to answer to anyone. The no attachment idea by Musashi tells us not to count on things or people that can be taken away from us. This is also true for money. If you can take care of your own money, you can leave a situation that isn't helping your growth or happiness. You'll be able to make choices from a strong place instead of one of fear or dependence. When you have enough money, you can focus on building a relationship built on respect and equality for both people, instead of one where one person has all the power because they have the money. To become financially independent, you need to work on being disciplined and responsible, which are traits that Musashi pushed in his own life. This means being smart with your money, saving for the future, and learning skills that will help you make a living without anyone else's help. Getting financially free should be a top goal for everyone, whether they are in a relationship or not. It is a key part of having personal freedom and control. It's not just about money then. It's also about having the power and freedom to live your life the way you want to. You can make sure that no one, not even your love partner, has power over your life by following Musashi's advice on discipline, self-reliance, and freedom. To be unbreakable, you have to be able to handle your emotions and money on your own and make choices that are best for you. Step 7. Know your worth. Knowing your worth is the last and maybe most important step to being unbreakable. Miyamoto Musashi knew that real strength comes from within and that no one else can make you less valuable unless you let them. When it comes to partnerships, knowing your worth means that you always expect to be treated with respect, kindness, and care, and never settle for less. When you know how much you're worth, no one, not even your love partner, can control or trick you. People often stay in bad relationships because they don't think they're worth much or are afraid they won't be able to find someone better. This way of thinking makes you dependent and lets other people use you. Musashi taught that a warrior's strength comes from within. This is also true for how you feel about your own worth. How valuable you are comes from how you see yourself and what you bring to the world, not from what other people think of you. To know what you're worth, you must first become more self-aware. Take some time to think about your skills, what you've accomplished, and what makes you special. Musashi thought that you should always be improving yourself, and one way to do this is to know what you're worth. If you know how valuable you are, no one will be able to hurt you or control what you do. You will be firm about your rules and expect others to follow them. When it comes to partnerships, knowing your worth means not putting up with disrespect, manipulation, or being controlled. To do this, you have to leave settings that don't accept your worth and look for relationships based on equal respect and love. Musashi taught us that real power comes from within and that you can't be broken when you know your worth. Knowing how much you're worth is the most important thing you can do to stay in charge of your relationships and your life. You can make sure that no one, not even a woman, can control or lower your value by following Musashi's rules of self-awareness, self-respect, and constant growth. Remember that you are in charge of your own life, and that knowing your worth is the key to being strong.